Every ocean delicacy begins with care. Precision protects every harvest. Stability shapes growth. Scale begins with structure.
Care guides every outcome.
Nutrition builds the foundation. Environment shapes excellence.
Standards start with well-being.
Early life deserves extra care.
Progress follows structure. Space supports strength. Timing shapes life.
Care ensures quality.
Efficiency protects ecosystems.
Observation informs action.
Readiness marks the next stage.
Preparation protects quality. And now, the ocean's bounty moves toward transformation.
Care travels with every batch.
Traceability protects excellence. Temperature and comfort travel with care.
Every step moves with intention.
Farming meets craftsmanship here. Precision begins at arrival.
Records safeguard reliability.
Environment shapes quality.
Standards protect consistency.
Cleanliness protects trust.
Ocean carries purpose.
Direction defines efficiency. Balance protects quality. Uniformity begins with control. Coordination turns effort into excellence.
Beyond these doors, transformation begins.
One source, two precise paths. And now, craftsmanship truly begins. Where ocean harvest meets industrial precision. One facility, many layers of transformation. Discipline guides every step forward.
Support systems keep excellence moving.
Invisible systems sustain visible quality.
Safety shapes every movement forward.
Cleanliness protects trust.
Beyond these doors, care becomes craft. One source, two precise paths. Precision prepares perfection.
Quality begins before processing starts.
Coordination turns effort into excellence.
Perspective protects precision.
Where stability secures safety. Where consistency begins. Leadership keeps standards alive. When timing aligns, quality follows. And now, craftsmanship truly begins. Direction defines refinement. Preparation reveals potential. Cleanliness begins the craft. Balance protects quality. Conditions refine outcomes. Data guides every move.
Standards begin with observation.
Order builds trust. Safety travels with precision. Selection shapes excellence.
Identity protects integrity. Readiness is organized.
Accuracy builds confidence. Conditions refine outcomes.
Clean boundaries protect quality.
Assurance of renaissance precedes excellence.
Order prepares the next phase. Now the ocean's bounty moves deeper into refinement. Refinement begins where care meets precision. Balance protects quality.
Stability shapes excellence.
Form begins with precision. Calm completes control. Consistency earns trust. Data guides every move. Order builds reliability.
Balance creates performance.
Precision protects excellence. Details define quality. Time completes refinement. Accuracy builds confidence.
Consistency becomes character.
Control defines quality. Readiness shapes the next phase.
When balance is reached, precision flows.
Now refinement gives way to scale. Transcription. Now scale amplifies refinement.
Precision multiplies value.
Consistency proves control. Form follows function.
And things have turned well for Justine of what Russia's done.
Stability follows care. Calm completes control. Versatility expands value. Order defines reliability. Control defines quality. Order prepares the next phase. Timing shapes efficiency. Now refinement meets intelligence. Technology now guides motion. Precision moves at machine speed. Timing becomes flawless. When balance is reached, scale follows.
Order completes preparation.
And now, technology takes the lead. Now intelligence guides every movement. Precision now moves at the speed of code. Timing becomes flawless. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises.
Automation perfects repetition.
Accuracy now reaches the final container.
Protection is built into every unit.
Security surrounds the result.
Identity completes the product. Traceability follows every batch.
Speed meets consistency.
Every unit is now ready for movement. Order builds efficiency. Consistency is confirmed again.
Records move as fast as products.
When everything aligns, excellence flows. Now the product meets its final refinement. Accuracy now defines the final outcome. Every measure is confirmed.
Protection is verified, not assumed. Identity must look as precise as it performs.
Traceability follows every unit.
Machines now guard perfection.
Quality never compromises. Order multiplies efficiency. Stability travels with the product.
Structure defines readiness. Protection begins before travel. Security surrounds the result. Identity now scales with volume.
The journey nears its destination. Movement continues with purpose.
Before release, excellence must be proven.
The final test begins here.
Before release, proof replaces promise.
Quality begins with careful choice.
Here, science verifies consistency.
Performance begins with precision.
Stability protects quality.
Uniformity builds trust.
Safety defines excellence.
Standards protect confidence.
Time reveals durability. Time reveals durability.
Accuracy protects integrity.
Evidence builds confidence.
Approval is earned, not given.
Quality clears the path forward.
Traceability never ends. Accountability protects excellence.
Proof now becomes product.
Proof now becomes product.
The final journey now begins. Every unit moves with purpose.
Order guides every step.
The chain nears completion.
Precision never leaves the process. What was built with care now moves with confidence.
Accuracy follows the product to the end.
Completion feels like precision. Trust is locked in place.
Every journey needs its record.
The product now carries its story forward.
Endings prepare new beginnings.
From ocean harvest to refined delicacy.
This is how precision moves the world.
From ocean to plate, innovation leads.
And this is how modern farms deliver ocean gold from start to finish.
Built on care, refined by precision.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.